published in the government gazettes. Now, a lot of people in South Africa are still mad at government because of the name changes of a few places, as well as 2 airports in the country last week. The process that started back in 2019 with over 19,000 petition votes against these name changes had finally been completed and signed off by the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Mr. Natim Tetua. The city of Port Elizabeth is now
Whoa.
Maclear is now Gebedeghe. King Williamstown is now known as Zebedezhe.
Oh no, bro. I can't even laugh because that'd be me. That would be me.
Now a lot of people in South Africa are still mad at government because
Yo, I can't even laugh at that, bro, because that would be me. Like, y'all know how hard it is for me to pronounce the... Oh, my God. Bro, what word was he trying to pronounce, y'all? That's what I'm trying to... What word was it that he was trying to pronounce? Because that was not it.